Just enjoying some baklava right now.
Their losers don't like it.
Before we out to the beach later. Right now we're in Akko. It's about 45 minutes from Nazareth, so we're on our way to see a Galilee, so we're stopping by here. All right, that's it. All right, guys, so we found our first view from up on this sidewalk up here on the bridge, and it's got some massive city walls and gates. It's pretty crazy. Let's go find some more. You got another dual crown fake fork. It's really disturbing here with all the bikes.
What is Koshima even? Like,
Here we go. Wow, these tall walls. What do you think of this?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Like the vibe?
Like the vibe, yeah.
All right, let's follow up. We're surrounded by mini Kevins, or cats. Lorelai calls them Kevins. That's what. Mini Kevins. Oh gosh, one of them's going crazy. We couldn't hear it. Oh gosh, these cats have the eye of a tiger.
87.
Wow, there's a lot of them. Quick coffee break, guys, before we head out to some more historical sites. Wow. Pretty cool. Okay, so not much to see here in Akko. So we're gonna head to the beach and chill for a little bit before we head on to our next stops.
Hey guys, we're here at Achziv Beach, and that's our view. So it's gonna be pretty fun.
Feels like I'm in the Caribbean islands right now with all the huts and builds and the sand. It's incredible here. Israel mixed with the Caribbeans. What a mix.
The water's a little chilly. Have you felt it yet? Woo! Get in there.
Hey guys, we're checking out Achziv Beach. It's beautiful sand and water and rocks here on the Mediterranean. When we got here, it was a nice little surprise. We found out there's a lot of history here as well. There's Crusader era history here. And then in the Old Testament times, in 2000 BC, it was a Canaanite city. And then it was promised to the tribe of Asher, and it's mentioned in the book of Joshua and Judges.
Into Miggido.
We are entering Miggido.
No, Miggido.
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 So this is supposedly going to be the futuristic place of Armageddon, the final battle in biblical prophecy. So let's get it. That is the plains of Armageddon in Miggido. We are about to climb up this path, and that is supposedly where the battlefield will be between good and evil in the future.
Take a look at this.
Oh wow, look at that staircase.
No one said.
Revelation says that Jesus will be coming down on a white horse with a flaming sword out of his mouth right there in this field. It's pretty crazy to think. He will defeat the devil, the Antichrist, and the false prophet. It's gonna be an incredible sight. Woo! It's really windy out here, guys. This view is incredible. Wow. All these great plains. this is insane that there will be a war one day here between good and evil. It's a great view.
So we're here, and this is literally a storage place for grain. And if you look closely, there's a stairwell. There's actually 2 stairwells, so you just can't see the other one. And it's really cool.
Okay guys, we're in the Amos tunnel. Amos hid in here when he was a prophet, if you can barely see me. Whew, it's dark in here. There's the entrance and we're walking through it. It's crazy. How was that, guys? How was that, Chan?
That was okay.
How was that, Mom?
The down part was a little
It was fun.
How was that, Elena? I thought it was great. It was pretty cool. But we're done with Armageddon, it looks like, so.
It was fun on the bridge. The stairway was so steep, and it was see-through some of it. I hated it. It was like,
Yeah, we know. Yeah, but that was fun. We'll see you guys in our next video.